My name is Hasara. I am here to present my research presentation on use of artificial intelligence in medicine. This is for subject ITC 571, which is Emerging Technology and Innovation, and my student ID is 11651896. In this presentation, I have tried to cover what are the importance of the artificial intelligence in medical industry and how and also what are the benefits of using artificial intelligence and how it manages data that generated in medical industry and process them in different ways to benefit the general public. As the methods to collect this information, I have used academic journals, research articles, and also other academic level publications. I have selected three major articles which I believe I can discuss on three different perspectives in this matter. Firstly, I have selected an article in information sources and information types that can be found in medical industry. Secondly, I will be talking about data privacy and also protection of data that has been used in the AI and what are the methods to prevent any breaching. Thirdly, I will be talking about mobile applications that created front faces for AIs to make it more accessible for the general public. And finally, I will be concluding with learning outcomes and finding from this research. Firstly, the article which I selected for the information is Artificial Intelligence in Healthcare, Past, Present and Future. In this particular article, it is clearly mentioning about different data sources in the medical industry and how they collected this information. As you can see on the chart, the most trending and also most leading mechanism is diagramic imaging. The reason why the most of the reports are generated in image-based methods has been given a higher priority. Because of its readability, this collected data has to be transformed into a machine-readable way. That's where the different architectures come in place, starting from image processing algorithms and language translations like natural language processing and data mining. Once AI analyzes the data, it's gonna stored in a different databases and it will used by the AI to learn and make decision based on the data. So in this particular research, they have introduced and shown overview on how this data can be processed. In the second article, I will be talking new machine learning techniques for predicting clinical drug responses. Mostly in this research discussed about different architectures and algorithms and how they process the data. However, it also have taken the aspect of how can we implement security for these particular data sets. Since the AI will be processing the data in multiple ways, there are certain windows AI might take mistakes by exposing certain information to unauthorized parties. So, it is always important to cleanse those data before it make the predictions. And it is important to make sure it is not violating someone else's information privacy. And in modern day, privacy is one of the higher concern. So this particular article has pointed out those facts and the ways to prevent data breaching and implementation of security. For the last, I have selected an article which talks about very specific topic such as headache symptoms. So headache are a very common symptom which lots of people have faced. This particular research has talked about an app that is communicating with people and understand what sort of headache, how it can be diagnosed, and which get more information from the user directly by using a mobile application. And they also have created a web interfaces to get those information. And in this image, you can see they have created smaller architecture which database talk to primary server, then allow users to insert information. and then also retrieve those results to their mobile interfaces. This is quite interesting and also great approach to reach the general public by directly talking and interacting with artificial intelligence. And this will be a success in near future. From this research, I have learned about benefits that can be achieved for the medical sectors such as predictions, drug usages, symptom analysis, and also it is highly important fact needed to be highlighted here. Massive amount of data that has been produced by the medical industry in day-to-day basis, and if we process them properly and according to AI algorithms, we can build up a smart AI systems which will be able to serve general public in a higher quality. So end of this subject, the things I have learned from this particular unit is data collection mechanisms in AI, how the algorithms are working, what are the methods that currently used in AI technology, and lastly, how general public and medical sectors get benefited from AI and how we can make it more reachable to them. And also we have learned a lot about documentation, research handling, and how to refer academic publications. And end of this research presentation, I have stated 3 major articles which I have been taken for the discussion, and there are 12 other articles currently sitting on my blog. You're welcome to go and read it. Thank you.